Hello guys, Minjani Mvukile, Afshin, welcome back to the channel. I'm about to make a video, but then before the video lewan, I thought maybe it would be good to talk about football a bit, Hi, mbila me have guys. This is Sundowns thing inga disasona Pirates namunhla. Swi heavy. Sundowns swi heavy. Asuri ku heavy kahle kahle. For one. Yo. Ani expecting xikoro lexi ya mina na swi tisa ku ri Sundowns a fane wina ne maybe ani ku okay ta wina mara for one that I just felt that was too much. I just felt that was too much. This was just too much. This was heavy. This Shalulile guy. Let me show you this guy. This Shalulile guy. And she ran, she said, and she favor go Carlo Asha Tlangera team that one team that team would air base at him. Busy come man team Lia. Sha Tlangela Owen the gum. Yeah. This one. She's the one. She dangerous. So this guy plays back to goal. It's an old way of playing football as a target man, back to goal, shielding all the time. And that was the game plan. And Pirates was one nine. Look, every time look come ball she shield she space. Like Pirates were dead. So hi guys, and Ali do doing after we time do the result to Talangov. Steve Chavis and after so Matutunga exactly thought about my 6-1, 6-0. He can't do where he baliseri when I'm trying 4-1. Hi, Minaka man cat. Football can kill you real death. She said, Jashing a Tobejan or Kukoloko. Football can kill you real death, my brother. It can kill you real death. Hi guys, I'm Kahle. I just took Pirates defending line. I actually have an idea. I feel like Pirates Kahle defending like reshuffled. Especially the goalkeeping department. She said Joan Berman. Where Sandy Lands? The gene. She's always this guy is always off his line all the time. Ashitu, the man Ashitu. Min prefer ofori kahle ku dikoma. So Sandy Lands this one. Actually, ku chiseri Lodge. Where's Lodge, guys? Hey, this one she look we poili saying man. Shy poirisa this. Honestly speaking, this one says shy poirisa. He look poilu win. Hopoiriwa hosi. Look, Jukora goal nyana nhleketa how okay at least titabuya nyana game itabakahle I'm gonna read the mean. I was never ready for this. Hi guys, me winning game liya sayona. At least it was a nice game to watch. Mara ku lexi ni nga xi vona ku Sundowns a yi nga nyiki Pirates a chance ya ku yi tlanga game ya yona. Game leyi ya ku building from the back, slowing them, quick play, And I was like, Sundowns is tlanga long balls these days, and it worked. It worked. The first goal, just a nice chip, and then nice trap, shikuma spacing. She fire because Sunday is one way to my mean. Look what check up Bolia first goal. Sunday is the queen. She's a legend. She's like looks at Bolo Udin. Hi guys, I'm furious. I'm not okay. Unchecked up at least it. Ingauda something net bank cup nyana. Hi Mara, this one is on with that kind of a squad, Pirates is and ku kombisa Mamelodi Sundowns kuriyona yini. Maybe I finally appreciate the Sundowns kuri team lewan. Maybe this team is just too strong. Sundowns is too strong. Ngari like a level ya yona irioshe. Sundowns yi nga ri le ka level ya rewatch mi nga hlekahlele mbirhi swa bola swi ni fambile hala tlhelo Tottenham va le ku yi fayiteleni a swi fambi top 4 yi le ku tsandzeni you don't bet xikipa xa Tottenham FC then ku na Pirates na yona yi le ku struggleni swi le ku mameni ya heaviwa Pirates va le ku heaveni hala tlhelo Tottenham yi le ku tsandzekeni top 4 a swa ma swi fambile kahle mina tshika bolo ni postini ka Facebook ni ku hayi loko Pirates yi tlanga mundzuku loko diwa na tshika hayi a ni twa mafedzula guys ni ti bayisa ni tlingari as if game a ni swi tivi ku yi tlangi kasi ni yi voni kahle hayi football can kill you real death. This thing, it can kill you real death. I'm not happy mina with this kind of results. What kind of result is this? You know? You remember this? Koko ayina ntsena mara hi nga tshame hi phaka 4. Tsakisa sweswo. Team yin'wana hala na churena hala yi tshama va fayetela yi phaka 4 na yona. So ayina ntsena va bakaniya nga ri hi kuma ta mune so koko mara ka leya mune leyi nga ri na maluti kambe sama xi ba 4 hey kahle swa tsanta leswiwani. Guys, are you liking my hairstyle? You know, I came back with a new look. You saw me on Facebook Live today and can't from Siciliani look. Like, tata no me kera kunene. Okay guys, in case I want to video link at that post. I'm so now go I answer moskeni you do woman 4x4. That's a good team to want ala natural na to na ta di what for nil. So vangatindli vanhu manene la ka Facebook na la ka Twitter ma Kaizer Chiefs ani vulangi mavito ya vanhu ni nga ta biwa guys in case ni ta vona in the next video. Salute mi nga titimeli